बेळगाव जिल्हा प्राथमिक शिक्षण समितीच्या एम.व्ही. हेरवाडकर हायस्कूल मराठी ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज तसेच आर्ट कॉलेज यांचे वार्षिक स्नेहसंमेलन प्रतिबिंब रिफ्लेक्शन्स ऑफ टॅलेंट मंगळवार दिनांक 30 डिसेंबर 2025 रोजी सायंकाळी मराठा मंदिर खानापूर रोड टिळकवाडी येथे उत्साहात पार पडले. कार्यक्रमाला प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून अनुपमा जोशी या उपस्थित होत्या. तसेच उद्योजक दिलीप चिट्टीस, राजेश शिवलकर, पंकज शिवलकर, प्रवीण पुजारी, सिद्धार्थ हुंद्रे, गायत्री गावडे, बेला शिवलकर, प्राचार्य एम.बी. हुंद्रे, प्राचार्य सुभाष देसाई आणि प्राचार्य शोभा कुलकर्णी आदी मान्यवरांची उपस्थिती व्यासपीठावर लाभली होती. विद्यार्थ्यांच्या स्वागतगीताने व भरतनाट्यम सादरीकरणाने कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात झाली. यावेळी मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते दीपप्रज्वलन करण्यात आले. दरम्यान वार्षिक ई-मॅगझिन व वार्षिक अहवाल सादर करण्यात आला. ॲथलेटिक्स, बुद्धिबळ, कुस्ती, शूटिंग, स्विमिंग, फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, बास्केटबॉल व बॅडमिंटन आदी क्रीडा स्पर्धातील विजयी विद्यार्थ्यांचा मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते बक्षिसे देऊन सत्कार करण्यात आला. तसेच राज्य व राष्ट्रीय स्तरावर यश संपादन केलेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचाही गौरव करण्यात आला. प्रमुख पाहुण्या अनुपमा जोशी यांनी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमाचे महत्त्व सांगत विद्यार्थ्यांनी अभ्यास, खेळ आणि कला यांचा समतोल साधावा असा सल्ला दिला. गुरूंचे महत्त्व, कष्टाचे मोल आणि यशस्वी जीवनासाठी सातत्य आवश्यक असल्याचे त्यांनी अधोरेखित केले.
Like your own children, this is a story of a girl. You can imagine your own child there who was frustrated, had lot of tension, maybe due to failures or due to pressure of life. And she went and told her father, "Dad, I'm done. I can't take this stress anymore." Her father, who was a chef, took her to the kitchen. He kept 3 pots of water on the gas stove and started boiling it. The daughter was clueless of what was going on. Once the water came to boil, the father added a potato in the first pot, added an egg in the second pot, and coffee beans in the third pot. And he gave 25 minutes to each of these to boil. When the daughter had lost patience, she said, "Dad, I'm already frustrated and you're increasing my frustration even further." He said, "Done." He asked her to go to the first pot and said, "Look at it and tell me what is it." She saw and she said, "Dad, you put a potato in it. I know it's a potato." He said, "No, see it neatly. What do you see?" The girl observed the potato and said, "I see a soft potato." Then he said, "Now look at the second pot." And she said, "I can see a hard egg." And then came the third pot. She said, "I can smell the aroma of coffee." Now, why I'm telling you this story today is your children are at a point where life is very, very challenging. It's a competitive world. They take stress. We add additional stress. There is peer pressure. And then they get frustrated. As parents, it is your responsibility to see how your child is reacting to stress. Are they becoming like potatoes who are initially very strong but now are becoming very soft and weak? Are they becoming like eggs who initially were very fragile but because of the pressure of the boiling water they turn very hard? Or are they becoming like the coffee beans who react to the situation and make the situation more fragrant and add flavor to the water which was plain? So keep a nice watch on every child, your own child, your friends' children, and see how they react to situations and help them select the right way.
The academic year 2025 was marked by remarkable achievements and holistic development of our students. In the SSLC examination, out of 141 students, an impressive 39 students secured above 90%, a thundering round of applause for our distinction holders. A special mention goes to Miss Sia Sawant, who stood first in school with an outstanding 99.4%, and she also secured second rank in Belgaum district, bringing great pride and honor to our school. Along with academics, the school laid strong emphasis on life skills, that is multi-skill foundation course which we have for our students, equipping students with essential values, confidence and practical skills required for real life situations. To promote global awareness and cultural understanding, a cultural exchange program titled Japanese Day was successfully organized, giving students exposure to international culture and traditions. The school hosted a vibrant inter-school fest, Madhuvratam, which was organized for the high school students. In line with sustainable development, the school took a significant step by installing solar panels, reinforcing its commitment towards eco-friendly and renewable energy practices. The campus was also newly painted beautifully, displaying the creativity and aesthetic sense of the institution. Sports continue to be a strong pillar of the school's identity. A sports rally was organized by our Vice President and the Honorable Management members of the BJPS Samiti, which was held to acknowledge and motivate the sport achievers. Our students have brought many laurels by winning Father Ede Trophy, Mayor's Trophy, Saraf Trophy, SBG Youth Fest Trophy, United Goins Trophy, and the General Championship Trophy of Resonance in cultural event by GSS College. Overall, the year was a perfect blend of academic excellence, cultural achievement, sports achievements, and infrastructural growth, reflecting the school's vision of nurturing well-rounded individuals and responsible citizens.
या कार्यक्रमामध्ये भरतनाट्यम, नाटक, नृत्य व विनोदी सादरीकरण अशा विविध सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमांनी उपस्थितांची मने जिंकली. मराठी ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज, भंडारी आर्ट कॉलेज आणि हेरवाडकर हायस्कूलच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी या कार्यक्रमात उत्स्फूर्त सहभाग घेतला. कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन विद्यार्थ्यांनी केले तर आभार प्रदर्शन प्राजक्ता आनंदराव हिने केले.
Good evening to one and all present here. Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Anupama Joshi, members of Management Committee, respected Principal Ma'am, dear teachers, parents, and all my friends. As we come to the end of this wonderful annual gathering, it is my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks. On behalf of BJPS Samiti's M.V. Herwadkar English Medium High School, I, Pranjal Sunil Anandaje, is deeply grateful to our chief guest and all the dignitaries for sparing your valuable time and motivating us with your kind words. Your presence truly added grace to this occasion. My special thanks to our coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Varda Fadke ma'am, and all the teachers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes, guiding and supervising the students during practice sessions and preparing them for today's occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to our principal ma'am for her inspiring leadership and constant guidance. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our anchoring committee for training our anchors, Ms. Minakshi Sudha teacher, Mrs. Shramit Tendulkar teacher, and Mrs. Kasturi Bediga teacher. I also thank the organizing committee, non-teaching staff, and the volunteers for their dedication and careful planning of this occasion. I would like to thank mamas and maushis for their help throughout the occasion. The program would have been lifeless without lights and music. So I thank Mr. Prabhu for his sound system, which made this program live, enthusiastic, and energetic. With this, I once again thank everyone who has contributed to the success of today's occasion. Have a pleasant evening ahead. Thank you.
कार्यक्रमाला पालक व विद्यार्थी मोठ्या संख्येने उपस्थित होते.